barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before we start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my signal service, please do not hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. That's a group where I post my very own trades and I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. But let's look at the Nasdaq100. The Nasdaq continues to play as you know exactly how I pretty much predicted it to do so. I mentioned this in our podcast on Sunday that I expected this just to be yet again another bear market rally, and that's exactly the case at this moment in time. We're down to fresh weekly lows at around 11,400, and I expect going into next week this continues to go down lower. I think 11,000 is the new short-term target. I think we will see a bounce there as it is a large psychological round figure, but I think ultimately we could potentially break down to 10,500, maybe even 10,000. Who knows? I do not have a crystal ball, so your guess is as good as mine. But I am bearish at this moment in time. I think the earnings season is going to cause some problems as well as we go into next month. We start to hear from the banks from the 14th of July, and I think the guidance going forward from many of the tech companies, for example, is going to be very weak, and I think, you know, as I just mentioned, that's going to cause some speed bumps along the road. So I don't think that we're close to any, you know, long-term bottom here. I think that we are going to continue to trade under pressure. It's not really until we break above the 50-day EMA that, you know, not until then I won't start getting excited. Once we break that 50-day EMA and have a clear daily and weekly close above it, that's when I'll start to get excited and we could start to see this trend snap. But at this moment in time, the sentiment is bearish here for the Nasdaq100.
500,000 barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.